Check out this 2005 Kia Sedona. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, an AM/FM stereo. Call today to schedule a test drive.